Have you ever wanted to make a YouTube thumbnail on your iPhone or Android device so you don't have to be tethered to your computer? Stay tuned throughout this video while I show you how to create an attractive thumbnail using a thumbnail app for YouTube called Canva. The beauty of using the free Canva app is that it's available for both the iPhone and Android device. It also includes many professional templates that can easily be modified to your liking. Wow, that's really handy. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon to be notified about future videos. Here are the steps to install the Canva app on your iPhone or Android device to create a clickable thumbnail.
Here's the iPhone home screen. Tap the App Store icon, tap the search bar, enter Canva. It's the Canva graphic design. Tap the download icon.
While the app's installing, I just want to remind you that there's hundreds of templates within Canva that you can easily modify. This enables you to quickly create a professional thumbnail on the go.
I can tap open or I can go back to the home screen. Here's the Canva app on my iPhone. Tap the app. I can sign up for an account if I don't have one, or I can log in. Since I already have an account on my desktop, I'm going to tap login. I can log in with Facebook or Google, or just put in my credentials. I'm going to just put in my credentials. If I tap the icon at the bottom right, I can see all the designs already created on my desktop.
You also have the option to start from scratch by using a blank template. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select the template that I can easily modify.
So tap the search bar, enter YouTube thumbnail, and here's a whole bunch of templates that you can modify to your liking. There's lots of beautiful templates here. And these are all free. Let's scroll down, look for a template. I'm going to select this one. Tap the picture. Tap the picture again. I can take a picture from my camera.
You can also shoot a high definition photo with your camera and access it from your camera roll. If you're using your face in your thumbnail, make sure you take a high quality picture and saturate the colors.
I can search for an image from millions of images from Canva. Tap colors. I can select colors. I can move this slider, find different colors. I can also slide the other slider to change the hexagonal code, or I can even enter the code in here to change the color. And I can also tap filters and change the filters for my image. Tap advanced, and I can move the slider to change the brightness, change the contrast, change the saturation, colorize, blur. If I move it to the right, I can blur it. Move to the left to get a sharper image. And add a vignette. Cancel that. I'm going back to images. I'm going to select an image of a mountain. Some mountain images here. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to tap the filters again. I'm going to select this filter, tap advanced, and I'm going to saturate the color a little bit, slider up a bit, and move the slider to the left to sharpen it a bit. Tap done. I'm going to change the text.
When using text in your thumbnail, just use a few words and make sure it's bold so it stands out at a small size.
I don't want to have that text, so I just tap it and tap the trash icon. I want to move visual to the top, so just tap it. I can move it, and if I put two fingers on it, I can extend it. I can also rotate it if I want. Alternatively, I can tap the numbers and I can move the slider. Let's change the text. I tap the X here, and I'm going to type in thumbnail. Tap done. I'm going to tap the numbers again and reduce the size.
I just made a mistake, so I'm going to tap the undo icon to revert back to the previous design.
I'll tap the text again, tap the size, reduce the size so it fits in there, move it down a little bit. I'm going to change the colors.
Here's a tip. Don't use more than 2 different fonts for your thumbnails.
Tap the color and tap the color wheel And then I just move this dot down here to black. That looks good. Tap done. Then I'm going to tap on content. I'm going to trash that. I use the same font as I have for thumbnail. I'm going to tap the duplicate icon at the top, which clones the text. So it's copied it. Move this down. Going to tap on it. X the text. Put app in there. Tap done. And move it again. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. So I'll tap done and tap the font size and make it a little bigger, then move it around. Tap done. Also use two fingers to extend it, to rotate it. Tap done. I want to make it a little bit bigger. So move it a bit. Then move it with my finger so it lines up with the other text. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to download it to my camera roll. Tap the download icon. It says preparing, making the magic happen. Save the camera roll. Let's have a look at the camera roll. You go to photos, and there it is, thumbnail app.
Now all I have to do is upload the custom thumbnail to my YouTube channel and assign it to the correct video. Keep in mind the thumbnails that you created can easily be accessed via your mobile or desktop devices because they're stored on Canva. Let me ask you a question. What mobile app do you use to make YouTube thumbnails on your phone? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would like to know as well. If you want to know the best practices for creating an attractive thumbnail for your YouTube videos, click the image below. You'll get 10 tips for creating professional thumbnails. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.